Hello and welcome to all of you. Myself, Dr. Parithi Jain. I'm a neurophysiotherapist, antenatal and postnatal care expert, founder of Physio in Pay Now. I'm here to tell you something about fine motor skills. Fine motor skills are the small movements that we usually use daily without even realizing it. Everything from buttoning shirt to tightening the shoes. We make our kids to learn fine motor skills without even realizing that whatever they do in day-to-day comes under the development of motor skills. Whether it's holding a pencil, doing crayons, handling of household items, etc. Development of motor skills are really important. Let's discuss one simple activity to develop fine motor skills, which is called as button loop learning activity. Who knows that buttons could be educational? Use button loops to strengthen fine motor skills. Material to be required: grab 20 to 30 buttons, A4 size sheet, pen or pencil, Fevicol or gum. Let's discuss the procedure now. Take a blank sheet A4 as seen over here. Now draw a loop in circular motion as I am showing you. Like this. Now what you have to do is start covering this loop with the help of different buttons via Fevicol. You can just put the Fevicol over here and can cover the loop like this. Like this. You can cover the whole loop via these buttons. This is the best activity to develop the fine motor skills. Via this activity, you are developing motor skills, grasping, movements of fingers, improvement of motion. To know more, stay tuned. Thank you, Dr. Parithi Jain.